In recent news, India's lunar mission has been successful in making tracks on the south pole of the moon.
Hey there, I'm Kayla. Ready to discover how you can create your very own news anchor? Say goodbye to outdated sources like CNN and BBC. It's time to step into the realm of AI-powered news anchors. Let's dive in. Part 1. Midjourney. We will use Midjourney to create the template for our news anchor. You will need a free Discord account and a Midjourney subscription to continue. Once you are inside Discord, find the Midjourney bot and enter the following prompt. It is important that you specify for it to be a medium shot and for the news anchor to be looking directly at the camera. If you get this part wrong, it may cause distortions in the news anchor's face when she starts talking. Pro tip: include a camera model like Nikon in your prompt to improve the realism of your picture. Let's look at the results. Upscale one of the news anchors and press the variation button below to slightly change the picture and maybe get an even better result. Perfect, this one is looking directly at the camera. Open the picture in a new tab and download it. Part 2. GPT-4. For this step, you need to open the Bing browser, click the Try It button below, and you will be able to use GPT-4 for free. In contrast to ChatGPT, its big brother GPT-4 has access to the internet. Ask GPT-4 to create a script about the latest news on a certain topic, and it will browse the internet, find the latest articles on that topic, and create the script for your news video with sources included. Read the script, and if you want to make changes, just tell GPT-4 your problems and it will hear you out. You can make it longer, shorter, include more sources, or add more topics. Part 3. ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs and copy and paste the finalized news script from earlier. Delete the parts you don't want to be narrated and select one of the many AI voices.
Dreams come true. Without that possibility, nature would not incite.
Never mistake motion for action. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Next, click on the Generate button below for the voiceover to be created. Keep in mind that on a free account, you can generate up to 10,000 characters a month. That is plenty. Don't forget to download the audio when you are done. Part 4. D-ID. The software that has brought me to life is called D-ID. D-ID is really good at lip syncing and lets you create custom avatars. Their free trial plan lets you create up to 5 minutes of video. If you want more, you need to sign up for a paid subscription that starts at $7.70 a month. Find the black Add button below and upload the Midjourney picture of your news anchor. Next, navigate your cursor to the right-hand side and select Audio. Upload the audio from ElevenLabs and finally click on Generate Video above. Every 15 seconds of video will cost you 1 credit. After the video has been generated, review and download it.
In recent news, India's lunar mission has...
Part 5. CapCut. For the background, simply return to Midjourney and find the picture of the news anchor you created earlier. We will extend the picture to the left and to the right so that it can fill out the full screen of a YouTube video. To do that, simply press one of the side arrows below. Select the result you like the most and repeat that process. Click on one of the side arrows below and select the result you like the most. This is the picture we will use for our background. Next, use a free video editor like CapCut to upload both the wide image of the news studio from Midjourney and the video of your talking news anchor from D-ID. Place the news studio image in the background and put the news anchor video on top. Finally, adjust both duration and size until the video appears to merge with the background. We have now finished editing. Let's see what our news anchor looks like in action.
Neuralink, Elon Musk's computer-to-brain interface firm, has released a video it claims shows a monkey playing the video game Pong with its mind. Its brain signals were sent wirelessly via an implanted device. The hope is that the interface could eventually allow people with neurological conditions to control phones or computers remotely. The macaque monkey, named Paga, was first taught to play the video game with a joystick and was rewarded with a fruit smoothie.
I hope you had fun watching this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section and consider subscribing. I am celebrating every new subscriber. My name is Kayla, and it was a pleasure to be your host. See you in the next video.